Hello and welcome to this new video on my channel. Today, as you can see, it's a really lovely day. It's warm and it isn't cloudy. So let's jump in the new video. Today I'm going to talk about the polarizer. Let me show you. This is its box and let me take it out for you. As you can see, you have two pieces of glass and they can be twisted independently from each other. So here, let me put it on the front of the camera. As you can see, the polarizer steals a bit of light, but the drawbacks are negligible if you compare it to the pros of it. You've maybe already been introduced to polarizer if you own polarizing sunglasses, because this filter works actually in a similar way. So let me put it on the camera and show you what it does and how it works. By the way, if you want to save some money on your lens, here you have a dimension. This one is a 58. But you have another lens that's a 82, for example, or 72. Buy some step-up rings. They go for pretty cheap on Amazon for around 10 bucks. But those high-quality filters, they are really expensive. They can go for around $50 to $100 or euros each. So let me screw it on and show you how it works. Here you go, I screwed it on. Be careful when you adjust it. Always adjust it the way you screwed it on, because if you twist it the other way, there's a slight chance that it falls off, and those things are pretty expensive, so be careful. So once you know how to use it, let me show you what it does. There you go. Here we are. Let's turn the camera on. There you go. And let's go into live view. Let me adjust it and show you what it does. If I adjust it, you can see that the saturation of the sky is increased. That's actually one of the huge benefits of this filter. You can increase the saturation of your subject, sky, grass like here, or other subject. And another cool function this filter has is that you can remove reflections from, for example, water, car paint, or some other. Let's play a bit with the imagination. So imagine you are at a nice sea with beautiful surroundings, and there is a nice sunset and you're in front of the water and you would like to take a picture, but there's a lot of reflection. So you're going to take one of these, screw it on, adjust it until the reflections are reduced or completely gone, because doing that in post-production like Photoshop, it's going to be a pain to do. It's a tedious and long process. Nobody wants to waste time if you can do it in seconds just by using a filter. Every time you adjust the focal length, you will need to adjust your filter again until it's correctly adjusted. But that's not a huge deal. Just twist it a bit until it's set again, because this is actually an amazing piece of gear which I wouldn't miss out anymore, because trying to remove reflection in Photoshop, it's a long tedious process. I don't want to do that. I just want screw the filter on, do that in a few seconds, remove my reflections, and then you're done. I hope you liked this little video. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe, browse the channel, and give me a like. See you in the next one.